Our love have lion heart, fear love of lion heart, strong and everlasting, uncle for him. You're going to go to center stage, and as your husband would say when you get there, freeze.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Someone just saw me back and asked, "What am I doing here standing with a bunch of yellow roses?" I responded, "Read pages 228 to pages 230 and you will see why." So, ladies and gentlemen, yes, when you obtain your copies of the book tonight and read them, particularly pages 228 to 230, you will see why I am thrilled to say that I am deeply honored to have been asked by the organizing committee of tonight's function to make a very special presentation to a very special lady. Dr. Hazel Bennett, for all of us who were fortunate to have been a part of the creation of this book, for all of us who have played our various roles in the development of Jamaican theater, for the generations to come who will benefit greatly from this detailed documentation of a wonderful aspect of Jamaican culture, and for all gathered here tonight, it gives me great pleasure to present you with these yellow roses as a token of our appreciation and gratitude for your generosity, your self-sacrifice, and your support for the late Mr. Wycliffe Bennett, and all the hard work that went into creating this wonderful book. We say thank you.
That's Livingston White, one of the children of the CPTC. And now Livingston will escort Dr. Bennett down through the theater, and they will make their way out into the foyer, and from there they will make their way outside of the theater. They will turn to the right. You want it? I was going to bring it for you.
No,
you'll, after she goes to the right, you will follow after she's out and turn to the right. The books are to the right in the garden, and so are the cocktails. But before you leave, let me just thank again the technical staff, executive producer Buddy Puyat, Larry Watson, our stage manager, Antoinette Hibbert, assistant stage manager, Ricky Chambers, set dresser, Anthony Abba, stage crew, Donovan Campbell, sound engineer, Peter Rope and Christopher Gowie, lighting operators, Michael McDonald, light designer, Ewan Harvey, follow spot operator, Gloria Dawkins, set design, Alvin Scott, global media services for the photographs and graphic works. We'd also like to thank the Little Theatre Movement Pantomime Company, the National Dance Theatre Company, the Pembroke Hall Primary Folk Choir, Woolmer's Dance Troupe, and the performers, Alvin Scott, Munir Zaka, Oliver Samuels, Paula Ann Porter-Jones, and Ruth Ho Shing. When you get across to the garden, you'll be enjoying wines, compliments of J. Ray and Nephew Limited, catering by Jeanette Hutchinson. And we want to thank all our ushers and the Creative Production and Training Center for recording this event, to our very special guest speaker, Professor Emeritus Edward Baugh, CD, and to the team of the University of the West Indies, to the team who worked on this production, to the University of the West Indies Press, to the Culture, Health, Arts, Sports and Education Fund, and of course the Jamaican National Commission for UNESCO. We thank you very much and invite you to cocktails and to purchase the book. Walk good.